And we're here. Say hi, guys.
Hey, guys.
Hello. Hi, guys. My name is Chelsea. I gotta stop there before you come at me. Yeah, I put on makeup for the first time. This is gonna be the last time. We're gonna go eat lunch. I just finished class. They picked me up from school. I'm in college, if you didn't know.
Really?
That's why I moved here.
No.
And I keep looking at myself, but I'm supposed to look in the lens, saying Cagayan. Hey guys, so so today we were supposed to go to the pumpkin patch, but it started raining. That's why I'm wearing makeup, okay? I don't like makeup. I don't like makeup when it's in a special occasion. But I need to find lighting. Ooh. Anyways, we're in IKEA looking for some stuff, and they're trying to decide whether or not they should add new things in the house. But so far we only got blankets and towels and what is that called? Shower curtains.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Hello. Look, I want to change it.
Awesome.
So, if you guys didn't know, I think it's in the other vlogs. Why do I look so Asian? No, don't focus on my face because my makeup is not good today. Whatever.
Whatever, it's so like...
It's so on point.
I'm fine.
Say, I don't know what to talk about. My life is not eventful. I need to learn how to vlog because I'm gonna have a separate vlog from them. Only my mom's gonna be watching because she's my #1 supporter. You need to put this into the video and make sure my mom watches this because she's my #1 supporter and I love her so much. I miss her and I also miss my dad, Henry. And you have to put that in the vlog, the one I just said, okay?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Thank you. How do you feel today? I'm okay. I want something to eat again. We just ate. Pose na pose talaga. Strut, strut. Oh, watch out, pee. This is hurting my arms. I don't think I can do this. Sir, let me go. Let me go ask a viewer from mine. My #3 supporter. Hi, sir.
Hello.
How was your day?
I'm good, thank you, and you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Filipino.
Shout out to IKEA for giving our home the idea of photo frames, so we're not copyrighted, you know? So, we're here in IKEA. I said that like 10 million times, but I gotta go now. You know you keep suggesting things to our room that barely even fit? Madam, please look at me. Oh, she's running away. Hi, my name is Chelsea.
She's pretty.
Don't look at the lens. I mean, the screen, the lens. Look at the lens.
You keep getting run over. I'm gonna start a new vlog channel. It's probably gonna be Chelsea Tour, just like all my social media. If you want to follow me, go follow me. My Instagram is COVNDVSVN_. That's for Instagram. And then if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Chelsea on the sun. You can't follow people on Facebook. It's just friend request.
You didn't even use Facebook. Your Facebook is like, there's nothing on it.
My Facebook is dedicated to my mom. Shout out to my mom, Lizelle. She's the best. She coordinates
so
my
loud.
life.
What? She's
She
coordinating?
coordinates my life. She controls my life, and it's a very good thing, huh? This is for sumakhakin.
How much?
Sumakhakin. This is $1.99. I can pick this off from my
Oh,
garden.
we're almost finished because we're here in the flower, fake flowers.
Everybody needs to know my name.
Just like yelling here. Oh my god.
Actually, I only consider people my friends if they actually be my friend. See, I don't like this. So I'm gonna start a new vlog channel.
So balik.
My name is
Can you do this last time?
He said, do you know if they're good? I'm gonna try apply their mag-apply naman ako for different programs.
Who's that?
So,
Who's that?
Pokemon. Or the princess.
Princess, ha, talaga?
Blow it out.
Kuya can plan it next week.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how may I direct your call?
As you can see, we're leaving IKEA.
Gosh, you almost...
Take the next right onto Southwest 41st Street.
Yeah.
Don't use your phone while driving, kids.
In a
Hello!
take the ramp to Washington.
Shopping! Thanks for coming with us to IKEA, and please hang on because we are going somewhere.
Liquor was the only one I know.
Right now, I'm in the process of editing it.
Please don't focus, please. Oh no, I don't like it focused. Hi, madam. How's sitting in the back seat?
Okay, I love it, but I didn't put my seatbelt on.
Oh, we're not going. We're not moving. We're not moving. Don't call the cops on us.
167 South 411 miles.
Do you see how fast they're going here? Okay, we're gonna time lapse this to wherever we're going. Going, guys.
Outlet!
We're going to Auburn.
Auburn Outlet.
Auburn Outlet.
Oh my god, I want to eat again. I want to eat C6.
I want to eat lumpia.
Yeah, I guess we're eating Filipino food. 2 against 3. So we ate at Simon Says. I highly recommend you eat there in, where did we go? What place? Kent, in Kent. It's called Simon Says, like Simon the Judge, Simon Says. And they have a lot of Hawaiian foods. I keep touching my hair because I'm not used to this. And I'm nervous. I'm gonna sue you people. I don't have consent.
Really? And you're talking on the front of the camera.
Yeah, but I didn't know. I didn't consent to be posted on internet. So I have the right to sue. Sue. That's my brother-in-law's mom's name. Oh, don't put that. Because I didn't get consent from her. Oh my god, I look like Remy. We're gonna go look at the Auburn outlets because the last time we went there was when my mom, my dad, and my sister came, and we only went. Yeah, push me out. No, louder.
No, because it will get the audio and it been copyright even though you're talking. That's why
I guess Sam Smith loves me. But yeah, we. Why are you judging the way I vlog?
Oh.
No, because the angle of the camera is like
Forehead angle.
the nose, the eye.
What if I like my nose and eyes?
But you put it like angle that we could see your entire beautiful face.
We're gonna check the other side of the outlet in Auburn because we only went to one side. I highly recommend you get Dippin' Dots there. They have the machine of Dippin' Dots. My favorite is banana split. So if you know where I am and you have Dippin' Dots, you can be my friend. Hey, be enthusiasm. He's very controlled.
Oh, am I the one you're pointing the camera?
Yes.
Oh, I thought, because I'm focusing driving, you know?
See, kids, you have to focus in driving even though somebody's trying to talk to you. But if you are driving in Seattle, or no, Washington right now, the toll plate, ooh, the amount is $4.50. If you're willing to pay that, then go you.
Why are you laughing at me?
You need to be distant from the steering wheel. That's too close.
This is
That's
distance for me. Are you the driver?
yes. The co-pilot.
Kuya drives like he's in the Philippines.
That's good. I drive like I'm crazy so that people can be crazy too. And then, you know, if I drive crazy, this lady over here
It's more even
Hello.
crazier.
is gonna be like, Mary Jesus Joseph. What is it? Mary Jesus Joseph.
Oh, so energetic
Look
today,
at the big one.
The big one.
So I got judged with my drummer today.
You did?
Yeah, they're just like, what's the kind? Because I was like, where's the one?
Where's the one?
Where's that one? Like,
Where's the kind?
and then I said, what you call that? And then my friend, I cannot say her name because I didn't get permission. My new friend, she's very nice.
Did you say whatchamacallit?
No, yeah, I said, what you call that? And then she was like, huh? What you call that? Focus.
You know, only here in Washington I learned to speak full English.
Food English.
Full English! Like you can shortcut every single word, otherwise they're not gonna understand you.
Aye aye, Captain. Oh, this bracelet, I'm gonna make my friend, her name is Shimli. I know that she's gonna give me permission to say her name. But Shimli, shout out to you. This is our best friend bracelet.
You just use it now.
No, I always use this every day. What the heck? I use this every day, even like when we go places. So it's a depressing morning, afternoon. It's 3:01.
Oh, there's a Dollar Tree there. Oh, there's Kmart.
That's on our way home.
Oh yeah?
It's 3:01. Oh, look at this.
Okay, police officers spotted.
Huh? Where?
Updated vlog. We just made it to the Auburn Outlets Collection Center, and she is thirsty gutom.
Thirsty and gutom.
I'm hungry.
And he is
I'm just tired.
he's just
Just
eating.
tired.
Tired, you know.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we finished shopping, madam.
I'm trying to prepare, okay?
Yeah, so outside looks really windy, but we went shopping. I only bought a little bit stuff, and she bought all of that. But we're gonna go outside now, so we'll talk to you when we get in the car. Bye bye. So we're leaving Auburn outlet collection place, and we're about to go to Walmart. What the heck? Wait. To buy toothbrushes and what else? Curry cubes, because she wants to get some curry cubes just like Judy.
No, I just want to try.
Superstore?
It is a superstore.
It is a superstore.
Oh, it's a superstore, sorry. It's a superstore Walmart where you can do a lot of stuff in this Walmart. And they have a more variety than the regular Walmart. Aren't you proud of me? This is the first vlog that I actually talked nicely. I'm proud of myself. I probably might go look at the makeup section because I want lashes. These are the Japan. These are the Japanese lashes. Can you focus, please, right here? Okay, it's focusing. It's focusing. There you go. But as you can tell, okay, I like the side blur. But these are from Japan. These lashes are from Japan, and they're ready to fall off because I had this on the whole day. But yeah, we're at Walmart. We'll talk to you guys in Walmart if we're allowed to vlog. Focus. Focus on my ugly face. Thank you. See you later. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we just got home and I took a shower and we're done. Good night. And it was a long day and my feet hurt, and right now they are putting up the sign that they got from Burlington. So if you want new signs about your house, you can get it from Burlington. So good night. Mga gabi.